All right. If you can hear me, drop a 111 in the chat box. Comment 111 if you can hear me, wherever you are tuning it from. All right, great. All right. So the last time I was live, we talked about the JPY basket, right? So I was looking at the bearish JPY basket, looking at price rejecting from those volume regions and then pushing to the downside. And that is what we had. We had price kind of consolidating here for a while, came back for the retests, and now we are dumping. So that is very interesting. And based on that, we've had very decent pushes on the JPY as a whole. So GJ, in the New York session, I talked about GJ bouncing from this zone here. And that is what we've pretty much had. We had price coming for the retest and a push to the upside, which is very decent. And now we are here. If you took this trade, you should be looking to take profits. Price has attacked the high. So ideally, this is your ultimate take profit. You measure the move from here. And then you move this move to this new low here. So ultimately, this is where we are looking at the JPY is completing, but you should be taking profit here because price has already done 72 pips, which is quite decent. So next for JPY is this zone here. So if you look at the JPY on the 8-hour time frame currently, we have this zone here. So what I think is looking to happen, especially for those that are yet to get into this market, is to look out for this zone. So this is a zone between 189, 669, and 189, 154. So inside this zone, this is where we'll be looking for the next pump. So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a rejection inside this zone with a stop below here and a continuous momentum push to complete the move, which is a very good risk to reward. 3.03 risk to reward. So if you took the JPY trade, it's time to take profit. USD JPY is new. It is the least JPY move that we have so far because the USDs has not moved yet. So this is quite new. This is not the best entry, as just like I illustrated for JPY basket. No, GJ, we could come in for the retest here. We could come in for the retest here. So something of that sort for the pump. So if you're not already in the buy, you wait for the pullback like that and buy here with your stop here. And if we get a strong JPY like I've been anticipating, this would be a very long term push as you are looking at price potentially coming all the way here. The only thing that will make this invalid is if we get a bearish close below this here, then something like that, then there is no more a bearish push. In that case, we'll be looking for something like that. So far as we stay above here for the latest pullback, we are looking for that momentum push to the upside. AUD card is also the least push, and it was the last one to push, just like I mentioned the last time. AUD JPY is mostly the last one to push, so you could use this as a template to trade the JPY. So what I mean is all the JPYs would move and AUD JPY would move the last. So you can use this to your advantage. So AUD JPY recently just moved and we are stuck in a range. So long term, what you're looking for is for a breakout. So the only time I'll be looking to get into this trade is if we get a breakout above here. A breakout above this high here, body close above here, then I'll be looking to buy AUD JPY. But you don't really have to trade all the JPY pairs because they are the same thing. With NZD JPY, I'll be looking for a similar setup, a pullback into this zone for a continuous push to the upside. So what will be a potential target for this? So if we get a current pullback from here, if you look on the 1 hour time frame, we are currently sitting on volume. We broke and we retested the volume region. Right. So if price comes down, this is the level you're looking for. A retest of this high volume region and a pullback. So for a take profit, what we are looking for would be a push from here, measure this move here, move this move to the new low that was created, and the end here, the new low that would be created. So if we come here and we price maintain support here, you're looking to buy from here, and this will be your take profit. How would that make sense? CHF JPY was a decent push, very decent push. We had price breaking the level, pull back, tested with a wick, and a push to the upside. So with these two, how you want to be looking at this is similar to that of GJ, but it's quite different in terms of the price action. So what I'll be looking at here, especially if you're not already in this, you're looking for a retest of this area here and also a retest of volume. So something like this. If we get a pullback here into this area like that, then that is when you'll be looking to join, especially if you are not in this trade already. So this is what I mean, right? So I'm focusing on the JPYs now. USD, I'm looking at a strong USD, but we've had so much consolidation. So USD CAD did not hold this level here, so I didn't get a buy here. And we are currently testing this level here. So currently we are testing the EMA and volume. So if you get a rejection here, I'll be looking to buy here. Euro USD is also testing this EMA here, very similar pattern, but with Euro USD, even if we push down, this is what I'm looking for. It's just about 40 pips drop, and I'll be looking to buy again. So this is what I mean. Push down, takes liquidity from here, and then push to the upside. GU is quite similar, but the GU setup now looks very ugly for me. So I'm going to ignore this now. But gold kind of look decent for a little drop. So gold has been the focus in the VIP. We got 80 pips for the drop, the initial drop from here, and a pullback. And we are looking for price to pull back, push back again. Ultimately, we are looking at least this retest here, which is about 120 pips here. Yep. But there's so much going on here. So the JPYs compared to the USDs look way more decent, right? Look way more decent. So I'll be looking at, if you're interested in both the USDs and the JPY, then you're expecting the pullback on UJ to long this to the upside. USD CHF, looking at the current price action, looks like it's going to continue dumping all the way down here before we get a push. So that could be the template you are looking for with the USDs. So if USD CHF pushes here, then that's where you become very bullish on the USDs to start looking to buy. Right. So this is going to be a short session, like I promised, and we would be following up with more updates. So have a very nice landing session. And if you have any further questions, comment under the video. All right. See ya.